Hello everyone! Have you noticed that uploading photos and videos on Instagram sometimes takes longer or consumes too much mobile data? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to disable the option to upload in the highest quality. This option can help you speed up the uploading process and save mobile data. If you want to optimize your Instagram experience, stay with me and find out how to set this up easily. So let's get started. First, find your Instagram app, open it, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in Instagram, the next thing you need to do is tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find an option called Data Usage and Media Quality, then tap it to open additional options. When you do this, you'll see an option called Upload at Highest Quality. Tap the switch next to it to turn it off. After turning it off, your future posts on Instagram won't be uploaded in the highest quality, which will speed up the uploading process and reduce mobile data consumption. This option is useful if you want to save space on your phone and internet data, especially if you don't have unlimited access to the internet. You have now successfully adjusted the settings and optimized your Instagram. And that's all for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified about new videos. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon.